Hey there, keyboard warriors. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to Smart Typer, the AI powered keyboard that is about to revolutionize your typing experience with its advanced features and innovative design. Smart Typer will make you a typing maestro in no time. So, buckle up and prepare to unlock your full potential on your fingertips. But before diving in, I will split it into three segments for effective understanding, which you will find in the description section below. Number 1, getting started. Number 2, how to set it up. And number 3, how it works. Now, let's get started. Number 1, get started. Download and install Smart Typer from your Apple Store or Play Store like this. Type in on your search bar. Now click on the search on your keyboard. As you can see the Smart Typer keyboard here. Click on it to download it. Now after downloading it, because I have downloaded my own, click on this open icon or open it from your background. Open it. Number 2, how to set it up. To set it up, turn on this AI toggle on. Turn it on to Genie, which is the latest model of it. Now, to make this AI keyboard work effectively, click on Genie API key. Now, open this link, this Genie AI key link, in order to create a API key. Click on it. Wait for the link to open. Now, in case you meet this mistake, turn it on. Set your browser to desktop mode if you are using Android or iPhone. Here, wait for it to load again. Now click on this create AIP key, which is here. Click on it. Wait for it to generate. Now add the name you want it to be. Copy the API key after creating it by clicking this copy. Copy it. Now after creating the AI key, go back to the keyboard. As you can see how the AI key will be. Paste your API key here. Now click on save. See how it will be. Now number 3, how it works. In order to know how this keyboard works, remember it's an AI assistant. Now to know how it works, go to your chat, your WhatsApp chat, or any chat platform you are using, your social media chat platform. Here, set Smart Typer as default keyboard. Now, remember, it is the AI assistant. Now, see how to chat it.
always use a word like best, what should I reply, or how do I reply this. That is for chatting.
Now click on generate.
Here is the generated reply or response by this AI assistant keyboard.
You see what it generates? The second benefit of this keyboard is that instead of going to ChatGPT, you can ask any question like this. Open your digital note app. Now ask any question you want instead of going to ChatGPT. And click on generate response. You see what it generates?
That's a wrap. You are now equipped with the knowledge and skills to use Smarter Typer AI keyboard like a pro. Unleash your inner wordsmith and experience a seamlessly typing journey. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. Happy typing, folks. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.